Air fryer face-off. Ninja dz302 versus top alternatives. Air fryers have transformed home cooking, and picking the right one is key. Whether you want crispy fries or healthier meals for the family, we're here to help you make the right choice. Let's explore how the Ninja dz302 compares to the Instant Vortex Plus and Kosori Pro 2. The Ninja dz302 stands out with its dual-zone technology, letting you cook 2 dishes simultaneously. Its intuitive controls and large capacity are perfect for multitasking chefs. But is its price tag worth the hype? Let's see how it stacks up. Next is the Instant Vortex Plus, boasting versatility with baking, roasting, and dehydrating modes. It's compact yet efficient, ideal for smaller kitchens. However, does its lower capacity limit your creativity? Let's find out. The Kosori Pro 2 is a powerhouse with rapid cooking times and preset functions for effortless meals. Its sleek design suits any kitchen, but do its features justify the cost? Stay tuned as we compare. Which air fryer fits your cooking needs? Leave a comment, share your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Empower your kitchen with the perfect air fryer today.